For clean air hack number 1, I used Scrub Buddy's reusable wipes that I purchased at the dollar store in a 4-pack. I've got the regular filter that goes with the Hunter 30065 model air purifier. Just the regular size filter. There's a brand new filter, and I covered it with one of the wipes. There was no need for cutting in this scenario because it fits pretty evenly around the filter. So I just took it and took a plastic knife and made sure that the edges were creased in properly so that I can put the cover back on to the air purifier. Since the wipes come in a pack of 4, you can use the other 3 as each wipe gets dirty to replace the dirty wipe. It works because the wipe is very breathable, so the air is able to flow through the machine as it should. So that's hack number 1, and as you can see, it works beautifully. For clean air hack number 2, I will show you how to turn your box fan into an air purifier. For this, I used a cleanable, reusable air filter by Webb that can be found online or in your local hardware store. I got mine from Home Depot, and you cut it to size, and what you do is just take that filter and put it on back of the fan where the air is flowing in. Some people use duct tape to put it on, but you don't necessarily need to do that. As long as the fan is on, it will stick to the back and the filter will stay on back of the fan, and that will filter your air.